Kaizer Chiefs latest and breaking news. According to Makongo, Mamelodi Sundowns top flight midfielder Gaston Sirino received his South African identity document. He is now eligible to play for Bafana Bafana. Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Roland Mokoena has told Gaston Sirino to leave the club as things still stand. He is now a free agent. Former Amakosi legend has urged Kaizer Chiefs management to sign this top quality player. According to Lorenzo Kohler, a midfield masterclass of Tulan Serrero has produced 94% pass success rate, 166 of 176, with 6 interceptions in his deep-lying playmaker role. Amakosi can complete their squad with kind of service of Tulan Serrero if they really want to win trophies this season. Pitso Mesimeane praises Tulan Serrero's longevity abroad. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.